If you are experiencing we are sorry but there has been an error connecting to FC26 Ultimate Team error, then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Play few normal matches first. The next thing you can try is play a few normal matches and then try playing the Ultimate Team. Playing a casual match resets the limit, so try it and see if the issue fixes. Method 2. Wait for some time. Another thing you can do is simply take a rest and play after a couple of hours. FC26 can have server issues, or if you're leaving too many matches at one go, then FC might think you are coin farming. Nonetheless, try playing after a couple of hours and see if the issue fixes. So you can check the EA server status from this link. If there is any outage report, wait for some time and then check again. Method 3. Check your account. You might also get this error. If your account has been banned, try logging in with another account and see if you get the error. If you don't get the error, then it is likely means that your account is banned. Method 4. Check your internet connection. The first thing you need to do is make sure you are connected to the internet. Check the internet speed by visiting speedtest.net and see if your internet is fast and stable enough. Next, you can try shutting down your router and turning it on after a few minutes. Also, try bringing the router closer to the device for better connection. You can also try connecting with an Ethernet cable if you are already not doing that. Also, make sure that multiple devices are not connected to the Wi-Fi you are using. Otherwise, it would split the bandwidth and lead to connection issues. Method 5. Update the graphics drivers. The next thing you should do is troubleshoot your graphics drivers. Right-click on the Windows search button and choose Device Manager. Go to the Display Adapters section and expand it. Right-click on your graphics driver. Select the Update Driver option, click on the Search Automatically for Drivers option and follow the instructions provided on screen to download and install the latest driver. If updating graphics drivers doesn't work, you can reinstall them. Expand the Display Adapters section and right-click on your graphics driver. Click on the Uninstall Device option and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. After installation of the drivers, install them again. For the AMD graphics driver, install the Radeon app, then run it. Similarly, for NVIDIA graphics drivers, install and run the GeForce Experience. You should visit the official websites of your graphics card manufacturer to update your graphics drivers. These websites are linked in the description below. Download the latest drivers for the graphics card installed on your computer from these websites. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the driver installation process. Once done, restart your PC. Then rerun the app and check for any updates. If any updates are available, download and install them. Once done, go to the next step. Method 6. Clear DNS cache. DNS cache builds up over time and can slow down the internet connection. This can cause errors while gaming. Clearing the DNS cache can help you run the game smoothly. Search for the command prompt in the Windows search box by typing CMD. Right-click on the command prompt and click on Run as Administrator. Copy and paste the following commands into the command prompt while making sure you press Enter after each command. ipconfig/flushdns, ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, netsh winsock reset. Restart your computer and then relaunch the game to see if this fixed the error. Method 7. Change DNS. You can also change the DNS and see if this helps fix the error. To change DNS, type Control Panel in the Windows search box and choose the first option. Next, set the View by option to small or large icons. Next, select Network and Sharing Center. Now select Change Adapter Settings. Then right-click on your internet connection and select its properties. Search for the Internet Protocol version 4, right-click on it and open Properties. Set the preferred DNS server address to 8.8.8.8 and the alternate DNS server address to 8.8.4.4. Click on OK and save the changes. You can also switch to the Cloudflare DNS. For that, set the preferred DNS server address to 1.1.1.1 and the alternate DNS server address to 1.0.0.1. To save the changes, click on OK. Once done, restart your PC. Once the PC restarts, relaunch the game and see if the issue is fixed. Method 8. Contact the EA support team. If the methods shown could not fix the problem, you should contact the EA support team and follow the instructions provided by the experts to fix the issue. And there you have it, the methods to fix "We are sorry but there has been an error connecting to FC26 Ultimate Team error." We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.